Hello, good morning. I'm here at the chapel of the Franciscan Chapel at the top of the high of the mountain. The Philippine station is called Resurrection. As we compare the view right now, it's very nice. Yeah, the view at the top. High elevation. It's very nice. Come and visit the Franciscan of the Maloco. Okay? At the traffic light, we go inside the Bria. For how many kilometers you reach the church? Franciscan. Okay. That one, okay. The church, okay. Every day, Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. and Sundays, 9 a.m. God bless us all. God bless.